Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we are solving Math Olympiad problem number 4, and this one is a very tricky one. We have x plus xy plus y equal to 76, and we have to find x plus y, the value of x plus y. So let's start with this one. So first of all, from this two term, let's take x common. So we have 1 plus y and plus y is equal to 76. Now we need a factor kind of thing, so we are adding 1 on both sides. Okay, so right now, and by the way, this what you're seeing on the screen is my Zoom avatar, so don't get scared. So we have x 1 plus y. Let's add 1 over here plus y, and let's add 76 plus 1. So right now what we have is, if I take this 1 plus y common, so we can say we have x plus 1, and then I can write 1 plus y as y plus 1. I hope that's easy. Now, taking the factors off, now we have two numbers multiplied giving you 77, which is quite easy because 77 can be written as 7 into 11. Okay, so basically we have x plus 1, y plus 1 equal to 7 into 11. Now, if let's say if there are two cases from here, if we take x plus 1 equals to 7 and y plus 1 equals to 11. So we can say that subtracting 1 on both sides, or you can just write, let's say like this, x equal to 7 minus 1. You can write 7 minus 1, x equals to 6, and y equals to 11 minus 1. Let's say y equal to 11. All okay? Sorry, y equals to 10. Okay, so we got x equals to 7 minus 1, which is x equals to 6, and y equals to 11 minus 1, y equals to 10. So x plus y will be equal to 10 plus 6, which is 16. Now let's take the second case. This was case number 1. Let's take the second case. Second case, if x plus y, case 2, if x plus 1 equals to 11 and y plus 1 becomes equals to 7. So this will be x equals to 10 and this will be y equal to 6. Both the cases we have x plus y equals to 10 plus 6, which is 16. And that's your answer. I hope you understood. Okay, so we give the fastest, easiest solution of Math Olympiad question. Please follow the channel and like and subscribe and share with other friends as well. Thank you.